Hi there, I'm Eric, and I'll be walking you through how to apply for a career with Southwest Key. Follow these steps and you'll be set up in just a few clicks. First, head to southwestkey.org. If you've been to our website before, you might notice this new look and a new URL. You can also switch to the Spanish version of the site with this box. We'll use the English site for this video. Now just click Careers from the links at the top of the page. Or head straight to the southwestkey.org/careers if you prefer. From here, just click View Current Jobs. It's the button with the little briefcase. This will open a new tab in your browser. On this page, you'll see all the postings currently available. To find a specific posting, try searching with some keywords or use this box to pick a location. Let's look for postings in McAllen, Texas. When you find the posting that you want to apply for, just click the title. Take a look at the full posting to make sure it's what you want. Then click Apply for this job online. Then, enter your email in this box and click Next. We'll send you an email that will help you finish your profile and submit your application in a quick step-by-step process.